Here's a 2009 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: AM/FM stereo, key fob activated rear windows, manual tilting steering column, 8-way driver's seat control, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Accord, Consumer Guide reports its rewarding balance of price, performance, and passenger accommodations make it a best buy for shoppers in this class. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. The time is now. See it for yourself today.